Hey there, Vidapay merchants. We're excited to announce the launch of Amazon Cash on Vidapay. This is a fast, easy way to load cash onto your customer's account. The best part is, you make a profit each time you load cash onto their account. Here's how it works. Just click on the Amazon Cash icon at the top of your screen. Enter the customer's phone number associated with their Amazon account. Then enter the amount you want to add. Anything from $5 to $500 can be loaded at one time. Finally, click Checkout, and you'll get a confirmation receipt like this one. If the phone number provided is not associated with an Amazon account, you can choose Print Gift Card. Then, a gift card claim code will be printed on their receipt. The customer can use this code to apply funds manually onto their Amazon account. Instead of a phone number, you can use the customer's Amazon barcode found on their Amazon app. If your customer has an account but doesn't know the phone number or isn't sure how to find the barcode, just follow these steps. In their Amazon app or on Amazon.com, click on Manage Gift Card Balance, then click Add Cash. And from there, they'll see their account barcode and the phone number associated with the Amazon account. And there you have it. Adding Amazon Cash to your customer's account is fast and easy. If you have any questions, contact our customer service department. We're happy to help.